Hi there, I'm Elizabeth from Rain. I'm here to help you get started on the road to financial freedom with the Rain app. Your employer has partnered with us at Rain, allowing you to access a portion of your earned wages early before payday. It's an advance on your upcoming paycheck based on money that you've already earned from your employer. Whatever you advance will be taken out of your upcoming paycheck. To get started, visit rainapp.com on your phone. Tap to download and you'll be taken to your app store. Once there, download, and in a few seconds, the Rain app will be downloaded onto your smartphone. If this is your first time using the app, you'll be greeted with some welcome screens. If you don't have an account yet, simply tap on the sign up button on the bottom. Enter your first name and your last name and then your email address. This part is important. Make sure you use the same email address that your employer has on file for you. This is one of the ways that Rain verifies your account and connects it with your employment information. Next, you'll pick a password. Make sure it's unique to you and easy to remember. Once that's done, you'll be sent a code via email, which will verify your identity. If the email you entered is not on file, you'll have to search for your employer's name. Once you find your employer, you'll be asked for an email or phone number your work might have on file. If that email or phone number is a match, you'll be sent a 6-digit verification code to verify. Once an employer match is made, you'll need to agree to our legal terms and provide your address. Once you're in the app, you'll see your amount available to transfer based upon any hours you've already worked during the current pay period. It's worth noting that your balance resets on the day that your company processes payroll. That's to make sure the paycheck you receive on payday is an accurate reflection of what you advance from Rain. Before you can transfer, you will need to add a bank account or card where you want to receive your deposits from Rain. Rain offers next-day ACH transfers for free. If you need it in a few seconds, there's a small one-time fee, similar to an ATM fee. Hopefully, this will help you get started using the Rain app. We're excited that your company is partnering with us and that you've decided to trust us in getting you your wages early.